In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and configure your domain. So when you first log in and you land on the dashboard, we're going to go to the settings section. Now remember, to access the settings section, we're going to click on the lower left of the screen and click on settings. And then we're going to click on the left-hand navigation bar and click on domains. From here, we're going to click the blue add domain button, and then a little pop-up will appear that reads connect your domain/subdomain. So your domain is your website link. So what people type in to land on your website. So we're going to type in our domain name. And then we're going to toggle on, I also want to add www.domain.com. We're going to click continue. A little pop-up appears that says setting up your domain. And in this example, our domain provider is GoDaddy. So it's recognized GoDaddy as a domain provider. We're going to click authorize domain. And then we're going to be taken to the GoDaddy account page, and we're going to click connect. Click close. And then we're going to be taken back to the domain dashboard, where a pop-up appears and reads your domain provider is GoDaddy. And it's showing that the DNS records could take up to 30 seconds. If changes aren't acknowledged, please retry. And then once the domain has successfully been added to your account, a little pop-up will appear that says domain. Your domain name has been added successfully. And then from here, we can link it to a specific page or landing page. If you don't want to do it at this moment, you can always go back and click on these three little dots and connect your landing page to a domain. So in this example, we're just going to click the little drop down, and we're going to say for this domain, we want rocepez media page, and then we're going to set the default funnel step as home. And then we also have the option to click the additional options if we want to set the default 404 error page. And this is when anybody types in your domain with a / and then maybe that link isn't active. So for this example, if they typed in rocepez.com / sell and that sell is no longer active, that page will not be accessible. So they'll land on this 404 error page. So we're going to select the 404 error page and then click the blue link domain button. Then we'll be taken back to the domains list. And then again, if you want to change the landing page for your domain, when you go back to settings and click on domains, you can click on these three little dots, and then you can create an XML sitemap, which we'll show you in another video. But you can also click on this edit option, and then you can change the default page, and you can also change the default 404 error page. You can also add robots tax code here and then click save. And now your domain is set up and ready to use within your account.